Hello people and welcome back to Code on Dashcam channel, a channel which features only the latest and craziest road encounters caught on driver's dashcam. Roads are more dangerous than ever and I would recommend everyone to have a dashcam installed in their vehicle. This episode is going to prove why a dashcam is so important. Without any further ado, make sure to grab your snacks, sit back and enjoy the show. In our first video, we have a driver who took a really wide swing as she made a turn and that caused her to collide head-on with another driver. I want you to pay close attention at the driver in Ford that's about to appear in front of the camera at the next traffic lights. He got into an altercation with a BMW driver over something. We don't know what happened prior to this, but every road rage situation is simply a waste of time and energy. When you don't have your eyes locked on the road ahead of you, you'll cause an accident sooner or later. Unfortunately, the driver in a red car learned that lesson the hard way. It's a good thing that the impact was not so strong and no one was injured, but paying attention at the road is supposed to be your only concern while driving. Pay attention at the semi-truck in front of the camera. He's about to get into a heated road rage argument with another driver in the middle of the road. We don't know what caused this, but luckily they didn't take things to a step more. Camera got nearly caught in someone else's road rage. Driver that came up from behind was racing someone else and he nearly rear-ended the camera as well.
Bet that orange car's in the wrong lane.
Yes, they're very racy. That's a great term. But I don't think that means you went wrong. I mean, some people help it. The beach, yeah. She's posing like she's posing for some, okay, skin magazines. She's got her clothes on. Well, she has a, does she have like a swimsuit?
Wake up!
Actually, you know, she has a swimmer.
Driver was going way beyond the speed limit, and to make things even worse, he was speeding right next to the police officer. It goes without saying that karma was delivered. Make sure to write me your opinion on this situation down in the comment section below.
Trouble, guys.
With this clip we conclude another epic episode on Caught on Dashcam channel. I hope you guys enjoy watching and learning something out of all the mistakes you saw in today's episode. Make sure to leave a like because it helps us grow as a channel. Until the next episode, drive safe and stay safe.